Hope when you take that jump, you don't feel the fall.
Favorite high school memory is probably junior year when we played at Borgia in football. The stadium lights went out and our student section turned their phone flashlights on and they started just waving them up.
Screaming your name.
And what was my favorite high school tradition? I really think it is super important to go to Friday night football games and just be a part of Red Nation and just cheer on our team and support our school.
Hope that you fall in
Favorite memory of high school? I'd have to say marching band because of the way we get to compete, because of the band directors that we have. And I made a lot of lifelong friends through the Red and Black Brigade, so I'm really grateful to have been able to be a part of that.
and I hope that you don't suffer. Standing in the huddle, listening to the call. Fans going crazy for the boys that fall. They didn't let just anybody in that club. Took every ounce of heart and sweat and blood to get to wear those game day jerseys down the hall. Kings of the school, where the pros are flying. But take the pain. Hope when the moment comes, you'll say.
The reason I liked cheer was because it pushed me to have a strong work ethic. I made a lot of friends, and the cheer coach is the best woman you'll ever meet.
I made my favorite memories through the soccer team. I met so many amazing girls on there, and going to state with them twice was just awesome. Every second I was with them, I always was having fun.
Yeah, with every broken bone, I swear I lived.
Hi seniors, I have been almost dreading making this video because I feel as if it's not real. I feel like I should have to, go outside my office and see you and love you and have several more weeks to spend time with you and getting to know you and just relishing in the high school experience. And obviously we recognize that that is not our reality, and many of you have said, I kind of took high school for granted. So I ask that you don't take any more days for granted and that you simply enjoy it and you go out and you do big things and remember Union and where you come from and know that we love you and can't wait to see what you accomplish. I can't wait till we're together again.
I'll miss playing with everyone, and I'll miss smacking up on some other teams, and how fun the winning bus rides home were too.
The thing that I'm going to miss most about high school softball is definitely going to be the bus rides back home from a late night game, just jamming out to music, having fun, making memories.
So make the best of this test and don't ask why.
What is your favorite tradition at UHS? Show nights. Getting to dress up for opening night, going to Steak and Shake, having cast and crew parties after we close the show. It brings us all together, and we have a really strong bond across the entire department.
Seniors, I wish that we could be doing this in person, but I just want to say thanks for all the amazing things that you did for Union High School. I enjoyed every single minute of it. I'm going to miss you guys, and I wish the best for your future. Take care, and hopefully we will be together soon. Love you guys.
Yeah, this was our year. We were gonna win it all. It was skipping class, it was wasting gas, always paid in cash from mowing grass that hot last summer. We were living fast.
My favorite memory of high school is going to state and wrestling my senior year. I will miss my wrestling family the most because they have all become my brothers and sisters.
We were jerseys in the hall.
The things that I'm going to miss most about basketball season are just the little things that brought us all together. I'm going to miss the lock-ins where we secretly played dodgeball with basketballs. I'm going to miss the times where we went to Coach Simmons' family house and just played mini hoop all night and video games.
Holding chairs, yeah, yeah.
The thing I miss from high school is all my friends from this team.
Boys shedding tears. Never thought it disappeared.
I'm going to miss volleyball the most. It has provided me with lots of unexpected challenges that made me grow as a person and a player. It also has created new friendships for me, and I've loved continuing all the traditions.
Mama waiting on me, thinking that first love would last forever. My old letter jacket and all, it never looked.
My favorite high school memory has got to be at the Lutheran South tournament whenever I placed first against a state qualifier.
Or if she ever thinks about living fast on top of the world, trying to find a guy old enough to buy a little cheap wine for you, girl. Game days, we were jerseys in the hall. Yeah, barely 18, but a bunch of know-it-alls. Whoa, blink an eye and then you're there. Whoa, on a gym floor and folding chairs, yeah. Down by the railroad track.
Favorite traditions at Union High School. I really like the tractor parade. Kind of reminds me like you're in a really small town, and yeehaw.
We were football flunkies, Southern rock junkies, cranking up the stereos, singing loud and proud to give me 3 steps, Simple Man and Curtis Slow. We were good, you know. Got some discount knowledge at the junior college where we majored in beer and
One of my favorite traditions at the high school would have to be Super Farmer with FFA during FFA week every year. It got very, very
kids that thought they'd run this town ain't a running.
Hey seniors, I just wanted to send you a video from the beautiful beaches of Gulf Shore. I know things did not necessarily pan out the way we all thought it would, but I do want to wish you guys good luck in the future. When I think of this class, I can't help but think that this is the first group of kids that I got to work with as an administrator for the first time, and now to see them go from freshmen to senior to graduate is a very kind of surreal experience for me. And of course, I'll always remember the relationships that was built with you guys, and just the conversations, whether meaningful or just, you know, whatever. You guys are a great bunch of kids, and I know you guys are going to be extremely successful as you move into the next phase of your life.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you.
I want out. All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh. Different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I would do, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you